Here's how to edit your public profile on Snapchat in 2026. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. A public profile on Snapchat lets others discover you, see your stories, and subscribe to your content. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Tap your Bitmoji or profile icon in the top left corner. Scroll down and tap My Public Profile to open it. On your public profile page, tap Edit Profile to start making changes. Here you can update your bio, change your profile photo, and adjust other public info visible to everyone. You can also manage public stories, spotlight videos, and what appears on your profile. Once you're done, your changes save automatically. If you don't see a public profile option, you may need to create one first, or meet Snapchat's eligibility requirements. Only information added to your public profile is visible to everyone. Your private snaps stay private. And that's it. That's how you edit your public profile on Snapchat. Subscribe for more Snapchat tips.